In 1997, producer Jeremy Harding hit it big with the Playground rhythm, featuring Beenie Man's smashing hit, Who Am I? Another standout track was Nike Air by Mr. Vegas, which was his breakthrough hit. Mr. Vegas is here to give us the backstory behind that song in our Fiwi Culture segment. Listen up.
Well, my want to see you one in the air. You never get a yet for your Nike Air.
The inspiration behind that is I heard a story about a girl from from Kingston that a guy tricked into letting her believe that he was gonna give her a Nike Air for some favors. When I was chilling at home after my broken jawbone, and I had the Playground rhythm, I just started humming melodies, and the melodies I was like, and then I started putting lyrics together. So the lyrics actually came about from that story where I was like, let me see your hand in the ear if you never get a for your Nike Air, if you never get a for your bus fare.
Pressure them, yeah, me there in the latest aware. Them can't smear your career.
The song was recorded by Jeremy Harding, produced and recorded by Jeremy Harding. Yeah. He had the beat. I waited for me to get on the beat because Beenie Man was on the beat and Beenie Man wanted this song out and Zim Zim on the same beat. When I reached out to Jeremy Harding, he was like, Beenie Man is on the beat and he want his song to go out. So, I can only hold it for one more week. So I went to the doctor and I got the wires taken out before time just to sing Nike Air. The vibe in the studio while I was doing Nike Air was, it's just me and Jeremy did it in the studio. Me and Jeremy alone was in the studio, but the vibe for me was like, a real touching experience because I'm the last one to record on this beat. I actually just came from the doctor, and to get the opportunity to go on the beat, when I heard the Beenie Man and the Sean Paul and the Cabra on the beat and the Spragga Benz, so it was kind of a touching experience, meaning that I was just so humbled and thrilled to know that I'm gonna get on this beat with all of these major artists. I was actually singing through my teeth, like when my wife see on in the air, you never get a made for your Nike Air, and it worked.
Oh, you know by where you not chase man like Chuck here. You don't get no kill Islam, no confront no man.
When I heard the song on the radio for the first time, trust me, jubilation. Yes, When I heard the song the first time, I think it was Youth Man Try from Ira FM. That selector used to play a lot of young artists. And I heard the song, I was like, yo, my boss. Yes, I was like, yo. He was wheeling top a whole heap of time and I was like, yo, star, come at my boss, Knowing that it would be such a big record, no, I never know that. I never really, believe it was gonna be such a big record. I knew that I had to, get a big tune.
What do you get a new home, brand new cellular phone? All them a get a beer stone.
With the success of Nike, it opened a lot of doors because, when Nike started playing, other producers started recording me. I think Danny Brownie recorded me because I had Nike playing, but it wasn't like playing everywhere like a big household record. But of course, you have a song on it, a buzz, and then Squeeze, Squeeze the dub plate for the reggae boys. So I was like, well, my wife is see you one in the air. We have to reach the World Cup next year. And the whole stadium go crazy. Yeah, this was 98, I think. I was in the Starlight segment in that Sting. I was in the Starlight segment. And from there, Nike just bust the place, and the rest is history.
Alright, so if you win the lotto a morning, what would you do with your newfound wealth? Well, members of the public told us in our Why Pree Vox Pop segment. Listen up.
Why Pree?
I'm more of that long-term investor, I guess. So if right now, I guess me just have 1 and 2 loan, me just clear. So after that, what's up? Or side would I just be savings. The joke, me I drop down a big beast, bro. Skate, no free. I buy a new fix, definitely. And then, moms I forget the funds, make sure she nice. And then anything on left over, I will save it. I don't know, mommy I forget some of the food, of course.
Invest it in a business and so.
I would invest it in some business and help sick people, children we need. school things, that's what I would do.
You turn it over, bro. Turn it over. Do some investments. Do some donations here and there. Yeah, man. But I gotta make sure I'm not broke again and my family alright.
It's a lot of money, Dad. I have a lot of things to do. First thing, my mother, alright, some money if I have to worry about my mother. But I try to say I can get some things for me. But G them, my youth them, cause my youth are come right now. But I try to put some things in play, differently from that. But I put some money towards churches and help some people on the roadside. Other than that, I get myself a beast, you know.
It's not like winning the lottery gonna make you a rich person, but you don't know charity. You have to give back to charity. You know what I mean? Because you have to extend the blessing, because some blessing that are come your way, see?
Well, you see, me personally, I go take a vacation. Probably about 2 months and hopping from country to country. But let us know what you would do with your winnings on all our social media platforms at Pree Show on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Twitter, and of course the comment section on YouTube. And tune in next week for more Why Pree.
Why Pree?
And that's how we close the curtains on this week's episode of Pree Show. I am your host Nalda Addy, and I'll see you guys next week. Come on, girl, come. Come.